Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever bought the top or sold the bottom of the market, today's video is exactly what you need to see. So we're going to be breaking down one of the most powerful features inside RayAlgo, which I just purchased a few days ago, been testing out. We're going to be looking at the trend reversal signals and how you can use them to catch moves before they happen instead of reacting too late. So let's get straight into it. RayAlgo's trend reversal signals are designed to identify when the market is likely shifting direction, for example, from bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish. Instead of guessing tops and bottoms, the RayAlgo algorithm can basically figure it out for you and looking at key price behavior, volatility, things like momentum shifts, and then it gives you a clear signal when the reversal is likely forming. And from what I can see, this is almost 100% success rate on this, which seems a little bit too good to be true, but I've been going through the charts and it looks like it's at a very high success rate over the recent times. So I think this matters because most traders lose money because they chase moves too late, they trade against the trend, or they completely miss their reversals. They buy at the top, sell at the bottom, and I think these signals on the RayAlgo chart can help eliminate that kind of guesswork. And so instead of people asking like, "What is this the top?" You're reacting to data-backed confirmation from RayAlgo. So let's have a look at the chart here. This is SPY 1 minute. And I think I said in my previous video about this RayAlgo, as I mentioned that basically it works really, really well in the short time frames. Usually like these algos have a hard time. But for example, take a look at these trend reversal signals. So you can see this one right here is a bullish trend reversal, and you can see almost on a dime it reacted and has been bullish ever since. The trend reversal here shows a change from an uptrend to a downtrend. This one also shows a change from a downtrend to an uptrend. Similar to this one, from an uptrend to a downtrend. So you can see it's extremely accurate. Here's another one here. So there's loads of these things and they almost always work. Here's more. There's one there. There's one here. Change to direction. One here. Change direction. Didn't instantly happen. It took a little bit of time here. Same with this one. It wasn't an instant reaction. It wasn't a huge move. But these things are working. Again, this one is showing a trend reversal here as well. And that looks pretty nice. So you can see these things have a really high success rate on the 1 minute. Again, this one right here. Trend reversal here. This is a bit of a more broken one, but it did signify a trend reversal. Same with this one, same with this one. You get the idea. That's on the 1 minute. On the 5 minute on SPY, it's also really, really good. You can have a look at the 5 minute. So there's a trend reversal there. This one's not as good, right? It took a while. It kind of went up a bit, came back down, but still it was a short-term trend reversal on the 5 minute here. Same with this one. Same with this one, although this took a while before it dropped off. This one is kind of the closest to failing that I've seen probably on these things. This one was super choppy, but it worked out as well. Anyway, you get the idea. Basically, you can start to see when momentum is slowing to the upside or increasing to the downside. Basically, it's an early warning that either sellers or buyers are losing control in the market. So quick tip though, don't treat these signals like magic, even if they look like they have a 100% win rate. It's always nice to add some other feature to the charts to try and give you a better idea of whether you can trust these trend reversal signals. I've been using one right here, show order block. So I talked about this in a previous video. You can see a bounce off this support line here from the video I did the other day. Where we're talking about these order blocks. Combined with a trend reversal signal would make this a very high probability trade. So you can use something like that for confluence. It happened again back here as well on the bullish order blocks. So really fantastic setup. This is a really good system. It's really, really low cost. It's only $30, but you can get another 20% off if you use my code. So I'll put a link to this site in the description below. And I'll also put my coupon code, which is SAR20. I'll put that next to the link so you guys can come to the site here and test this out for yourself. I really would advise checking out RayAlgo for yourself. And like I said, I'll put the link down below. But if you're serious about improving your entries and exits on these trend reversal signals, for example, I would definitely recommend RayAlgo to be something you can test for $22 if you use my coupon code SAR20 for 20% off. Alright guys, hopefully it's helpful and I'll talk to you in the next video.